Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Well, the white stuff is back. I'm not sure how long it'll last or how deep it's going to be, but the ground itself doesn't even seem like it's froze. Still kind of mushy walking out here on the gravel. Feels like it's sinking. Seems like the pigs are still in their house there. I want to come out here to this white stuff. Yeah, probably won't get much done today. Hope it don't snow a lot because I forgot to put the blade on the tractor. But with the weather we've been having, snow doesn't last very long. So we'll see what happens with this storm. Well, I got a little snow here. I think I'll take the golf cart down. I don't know if I can get it back up here, up the hill. It's sure white down there. Need to put chains on it. Yeah, it's going down the hill. Hopefully I don't slide into the drums down there or slide off the hill. Got a feeling I'd be walking back up the hill. It's like snow blowing in your eyes. Alright, we're here. The piglets came out to see what I got for them. I'll start off with a flake of hay. Get you guys going. Okay, Harold. Here's some hay. Whoop. Well, that didn't work out good. Hit the roof. Not that hungry. Hay in your water now. Well, the chickens are saying, feed me. Of course, I can see there's still got plenty of feed left. Over here we got Petunia pushing the hay in our water again. Show how easy this bag is. Oh, came out pretty good with one hand. Wonder what's digging in my barn. Okay, Harold's happy now. He's got grain. Well, chickens, they've dropped production. Oh, they got 3 eggs today. They're all chicken eggs. I don't see any out in the mud. So actually, these are the cleaner ones I've gotten for sets for the last few weeks. Petunia got her babies over here. Didn't realize Harold's eating all the grain for himself on the other side. I'm sure once they finish this, they'll be over there bugging him. Okay, little pigs out here, they're all happy. Got their grain, got the alfalfa. I'm sure they'll run back in the house after they finish this. Snow's still coming down. It's kind of wet though. Now the problem is, am I going to get the golf cart back up to the house? Maybe not with these ball tires. Yeah, I think I'll loop it around, try to go up the lane. Yeah, it's slipping. Well, we made it. I'm surprised. Have enough momentum. So the back tire, there's no traction on that one at all. Well, it'll be dark pretty quick here. We didn't get that much snow. It's still coming down just a little bit, but it's really kind of, it's damp. What's that dog doing, making a mess? Okay, well anyway, so we were hoping it either sow more or it I don't know, go away. The ground is not froze, so this is gonna be a mud pit if it heats up any. So anyway, that's how our day went, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great evening. I'm gonna play tug of war on it.